Hello. Today is December 17, 2024, and here's the update. I just want to document today's weather. Today is the weather is wait +4. In Windsor +4, and it's cloudy. So here's what it looks like during this time of the year. See, all the flowers are dead. I just cleaned this lawn last week. Now there's a lot of leaves again. It's because of this. The neighbor, he doesn't clean his ground. So yeah, that's how it looks like today. No snow yet, but it snowed 2 days ago. Let's look at my garlic. What happened? I didn't put the dry leaves inside the garlic. That's my garlic. My strawberries. Let's go out. Let's go at the back of the garage where my vegetables are. Uh-oh, a lot of mess. See, that's my last project. That's where I'm gonna put my strawberries. All dead. Here's what I'm doing, and it's all messy. Look at the Brussels sprouts. That's the cherry tomatoes. They're all dead. Let's go inside. A lot of things to do when it comes to spring. Look at the neighbor. There's a building. They're making a two-story semi-detached house there. They're still working on that second one. The other one was already occupied. The first one they did. There's a lot of work on spring. I wasn't able to get or harvest these peppers when we left for a cruise. Now they're all cannot be used anymore because it got frozen, It got hot, it got frozen, it got hot, so it's damaged. That's how it looks like during winter. Actually, the snow, there was snow before last week. Now it's gone. It's a little bit warmer this time. You wanna see the front? There, I haven't touched it. I actually want to document this so I will know what happened this time of the year. So that's my garlic. I think they're gonna survive even if I don't put those dried leaves on top of it to make it to protect it. And look at the cherry tomatoes. They're all frozen. Too deep. That's it for this video. I just want to show you what's happening in my area. So see you in the next video. I'm still working on the cruise, the ports that we went to. Bye now. See you in the next video. Bye.